Good morning दोस्तों. Watch that dancing bird how is striking on the head of the prey bird and the crow. Watch, watch. How hitting on the head of the bird. Crow and prey bird both are in panic. Watch. Two dancing bird hitting on the head of crow and prey bird. Prey bird hitting on wild crow. Watch, watch. How hitting. Watch. This is the natural phenomena. This bird have really dare. Wild crow and prey bird both are the many times big to these birds. But how hitting on the tree. This is the preemptive strike of two birds. In military terms, it called the preemptive strike on the enemy. Watch how hitting. How these birds hitting on the. This is a dancing bird. Watch. Both are little. Watch. This is a very little bird. But two are taking on the prey bird and the wild crow. What is the spirit? Like fighter jet attacking on the enemy tank. Similarly, this bird hitting. Watch. Now went there. Watch. Wow. Wow. And prey bird is. Watch. How hitting two bird on the prey bird. That prey bird can kill the biggest snake. Like rat, even cobra too. But he is hitting.